Good evening everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 21st and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir up 47 cents, that's 5.70%. This is quite nice. So we have a big red, we have a green candle with a longer wick at the top. The stock went quite high and we broke $9 and we were squished down quite far back, but we still finished ahead of where we opened. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So this is the first candle of the day right here. So we had a gap. So compared to yesterday, so we had a nice move up with nice volume, then broke $9 during the second hour, but then came back down and then stabilized at 881 before falling down a little bit, but there's a little bit of wick at the bottom, so the stock was pushed back up and with a decent volume here. With quite big of a volume here. You could say that people bought here and pretty much the same people sold here. Yeah, you could say that. And if we go see the 1 hour chart here, so you see what is happening here. So when we fell, the volume was lower, and when we stabilized, the volume got bigger and bigger. So this is telling me that as the stock was coming back down, we had some people that wanted to buy more and more of it. So this is looking not so bad. Stochastic at 76, so still very good stochastic on the 1 hour charts. Hopefully things are going to pick up where we left off tomorrow. On the daily chart, now we have stochastic over 60, so this is a big news in itself. Stochastic over 60 means that the stock should be moving. It should be moving. Yes, we have this $9 resistance that seems to be bugging us, but with a stochastic over 60, maybe we have a chance of breaking that and trying to go reach the top of the channel at around $10. In terms of MACD's crossed over bullish. RSI, in terms of the strength, we are at 50, so that's above, we are above 50, so this is bullish in itself. So you see we are starting to see things change a little bit, and DMI is getting a little bit closer to crossing over. So let's hope that this time it is going to be good, and let's hope that this time this move is going to last a little bit. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.